Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through one of our Scout 177 sport models. We'll start off on the bow. Notice we've got a lot of casting space up here on the foredeck. We do have a standard trolling motor plug, and beneath the bow locker, we've got a lot of space for storage, including designated space for a bucket and also your anchor light. Forward of the console, rod holders, 3 on each side. We've got a seat forward that also serves as a live well. We have this model equipped with the Fusion stereo that has 4 speakers in the cockpit, 2 forward and 2 aft. Courtesy lights are around the console. We've got a battery select switch, stereo unit, and then storage for your batteries and a battery charger if you elect to put a trolling motor on the boat. Full instrumentation from Yamaha, aircraft style switches that illuminate at night for safety. We have a 12 volt and a MP3 port, along with cup holders that are plumbed and drained. We have a steering wheel with an adjustable tilt. Beneath the helm seat, all this is standard. We've got an igloo cooler, tackle storage, and then netted storage compartments on both sides. We have this boat equipped with a upgraded optional 90 horsepower motor from Yamaha, along with hydraulic steering. And then if we come over to the port side, we also have this model equipped with the optional swim platform that comes with a nice footstep as well. So that's a look at our 177 Sport from Scout. Please give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com and always check our Facebook page. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. We'll see you soon.